Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Singh, an MBA student. I have chosen the topic values, and there's a specific reason for it which I have learned from my personal experience in life. If we don't value something at the right time, then we may lose precious things of our life. I am saying this out of my personal experience, which I would like to share with you all. There was a time when I used to spend a lot of my time from my daily routine with my friends without worrying about food, tiredness, and other stuffs. At the time when I used to get engaged with my friends all the time, mostly, that was the time of my when I was in first year of my graduation's bachelor's. My father gifted me a bike, which I requested him to gift me. I used to take care of my bike when it was new, and it was in a very good condition when I was used to take care of it. As the time started to pass, I didn't kept the value of my bike as earlier. I didn't value it as I used to earlier, which in result kept the condition deteriorating of my bike. Seeing all this, the condition was deteriorating of my bike day to day. I realized that we should we should always value something before it's get too late. The reason behind why I didn't kept valuing my bike as earlier days was as I was valuing my friends more than my bike which was gifted by my father. The other incident which I would like to share with you all was the value of my grandmother and her blessings. My grandmother used to give me money on a regular basis since my childhood. She uses to give me money when I was young, hiding from everyone else that if anyone doesn't sees her giving me money. At that time, I didn't used to get the value of that money. I used to buy chocolates, chips, soft drinks from that money, which my grandmother actually uses to give me money for that only. But I didn't understood the value of that money at that time when I was young. Now I'm having 900 rupees given by her a weeks earlier before admitting to the hospital. Now these days I really understand the value of that money, of that 900 rupees given by my grandmother. Her old spectacles and this 900 rupees given by her values me more than anything nowadays. The last week she left this world in a passive manner, fighting her battle with brain stroke. She couldn't survive her third brain stroke, which she get attacked in the hospital with. Coming back from all the emotional topics of my life, let's discuss the role of value in an organization. Values tell their staff and employees of an organization that what is unhealthy and what is good for the organization. For example, in some people's organization, their receptance to feedback is core of their value in the organization. Values help organizations determining a wide range of acceptable behaviors.